Hey guys, welcome back to another one. This is Crypto Elite, home to the #1 Theta community. And if you like this content, please like and subscribe to the channel. And once again, I do want to give a shout out to Rewarded TV. Right now, they have a pretty awesome drop going on with Psycho Knockout. Definitely check it out and use my link in the description below. We will both get 100 replay tokens. All right, in today's video, we are going to be talking about the Theta metachain. There was one big update that led to, or is going to lead to, the further employment of the Theta metachain, and we will dig into one facet of that update, and that is Theta update to the version 3.4.0. It was a very successful upgrade, and we will talk about wTHETA in particular and how that is going to unlock a lot of new features, and I do look forward to it. So earlier today, the Theta 3.4 upgrade was successfully implemented, and one thing that enables, like I just said, is wTHETA. And if we're unfamiliar with that, I will talk about it in the video upcoming here in a second, and I'll also go through some of the use cases. I think this does a good job of speaking to it with words, but I do like video a little bit more because I am a visual learner, and I know a lot of people learn visually as well. So now one thing that we can use is Theta in MetaMask. It's now usable in MetaMask and pretty much any other smart contract, as well as staking Theta TFUEL to Guardian nodes and Elite Edge nodes from smart contracts. That utility was not there before, so there's going to be a lot more use cases for the overall Theta token, and that has a lot of implications, as well as staking and the overall supply that is out there, because we know the total supply is capped at 1 billion coins, but as far as useful coins, it is also going to play into that if a bunch of coins are locked into a smart contract. So if you missed the news, you can check it out in some of my previous videos, but let's talk about wTHETA. If you're unfamiliar with that, it's a TNT20 token now, so it's very similar to TFUEL or T-Drop, where that TNT20 aspect of it gives it that utility. The native Theta coin can't have the flexibility to be used in MetaMask, and that's just the way that these cryptos were created. So the token is wrapped around the native Theta token via smart contract, and this allows Theta to be used within smart contracts, and similar mechanisms are in place on chains such as Ethereum with wrapped ETH, and behind the scenes your ETH is wrapped into wrapped ETH when you use something like Uniswap. So this is something that's very similar. As you can see here, you have wrap ETH, and then you can convert that into a lot of different cryptocurrencies on Uniswap. But that is one thing that's happening behind the scenes. So Theta has something very similar now. So the upgrade is critical in that it permits Theta to be used in Theta-based dApps for DeFi or within MetaMask wallets, among many other use cases. So it also means that staking to Theta to Guardian nodes or TFUEL to Elite Edge nodes can now be done through smart contracts. There will be more documentation here in a little bit about that, and whenever that documentation comes out, I will try and, one, provide the news, and two, actually go through it as well so everyone can see how it looks like. So with this, pool staking is much easier and allows users to create a wider variety of staking pools, because right now, if you go to VoltSwap, for example, all of the staking pools are based off of TFUEL, and which is great. It's in the Theta ecosystem, but now you can have additional staking pools with Theta as well. So additionally, for the upcoming metachain upgrade, wTHETA is needed to register a subchain and to post Theta collateral for the subchain validators. So this one, I am curious to see how much Theta they are going to need as collateral. That bit of news has not come out yet, but we do know for at very least we need 1,000 Theta in order to start a Guardian node, and 200,000 Theta coins in order to start a validator node. So it's got to be somewhere within that range, but I do know that Theta network would like more subchains, so I don't think it's going to be all the way at that 200,000 wTHETA limit. I think it's going to be somewhere, some sort of happy medium between 1,000 and 200,000. I know that's a huge range, but that's my best guess. And here, after that, we will get into the wrapping and unwrapping process. So if you're unfamiliar, go check out your Theta wallet right now. There's a couple new things. Like I said in a previous video, this NFT tab that recently came up that was not there before. And now if you go to the wallet, once again, this is just a test wallet, you can see right next to Theta, there's a option to wrap it. And then right below T-drop token, there is the wrap Theta token, and you can unwrap the Theta. So we'll go through the exercise just like the Medium article does have you go through. And essentially what they're saying is all you have to do, it's very easy. I transferred one Theta over, is select wrap, and I'm just going to do 1, and I will enter my password here. It'll send transaction. It'll probably take a potato or two for this transaction to go through. And then from there, of course, one thing I did mention, everything costs a little bit, and the fuel or the cost to pay for things is TFUEL. So we will see, I should, in theory, see that one normal Theta token be converted to wrap Theta, and there it just happened. So now I have one wrap Theta. So that is how to swap it from Theta to wrap Theta. The next step would be to sending it to send something like MetaMask. So this is another test account for the most part, not my official account. But I need to import a token because now, as you can see, I have TFUEL, T-drop, a Crypto Elite token, and the Bullet token. It's actually a liquidity pool, but I need to import wrap Theta, and I'll post this in the description below. They have the contract address, and that is something that you need in order to add new tokens on MetaMask. So I'm going to copy this right now, and we will circle back here. So open MetaMask once again. I'll scroll down. I will import tokens, add that contract address, the token symbol. It is wrapped Theta. So I'll type that in, and then the token decimals is 18. So I will post that in there. I'll add that, import the token. And now wrap Theta should be added to the list of tokens that I have on MetaMask. There it is. So the last step that I will do, here's the contract code, kind of nerdy. Clicked on the wrong screen there. Last thing I'm going to do is send this wrap Theta from this address over to my MetaMask account. So you can see how that process works too. I'm going to copy that address. I'll select send. I want to send to, and I'll select my asset, which is wrap Theta. I will send the max, why not? And then we will once again have to enter the wallet password. I'll confirm it. Once again, there's a little bit of TFUEL that is going to be used and burnt for these transactions. But the good thing about these transactions, in order to hit finality, it is pretty much instantaneous. And that is one of the good things about the Theta blockchain. Other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, it could take up to 30 minutes, which is still much faster than, oh, there it is. It's already in my MetaMask account. So in summary, guys, I don't want to make this video too long, but that is how you add wrap Theta to your overall Theta wallet, and then also how to send wrap Theta from your Theta wallet into MetaMask. So whenever these new dApps do come out and liquidity pools come out, now we can start interacting with them. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below, and I will see you on the next one.